Model, 2017 Ford Transit Custom €290 ULEZ compliant spares OR repairs. Body, white, panel van. Mileage, 176,157. Engine, 1996 cc 2.0 TDCI 105 PS. Transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs with a slight knock, oil light is on. Engine needs repairing or replacing. Condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is very clean. Rear load area is very clean, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows. EU status, Euro 6. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.